Here for a quick pre-market analysis. We have NQ on the left and ES on the right. They both have plenty of zones to trade off of today if we hit them. NQ has a 30-minute demand down low and a 3-hour supply up top. And ES has this trend line going down, a 15-minute supply and a 30-minute demand. We have news right now at 9:45. I think it's PMI, not really sure. I'm going to see how price reacts to this trend line. If we get above this trend line and consolidate or hold or pull back and get bought up, I will be possibly looking to take it long up into the supply. This is a 3-hour zone up here. I'm not just going to long on a breakout. Like, I need to see a retest or some consolidation. And if we just rip up, then I miss the trade and I look to take short at the supply instead. Alright, I like how this looks for a really tight risk, right below the trend line, just $45. And let's see how this trade does. This is not really my normal strategy. That's why I'm doing such a tight stop loss. But I like that we hit the trend line again and saw some more demand.
Order filled.
Very quickly got stopped out. Very small loss. That's okay for me. We'll look for another entry if possible. Could be a lot of people taking this long above the trend line. Maybe this is a good place to trap longs. Trying this one last time. This is going to be the last trade of the day. Another really tight stop. I like that we came back, saw some more demand to get back over the trend line and held it. So I'm going to look to take this long up towards the supply. Man, the adrenaline hits different on Mondays. I don't know what it is. Like, start of the week is so much scarier than the middle of the week or the end of the week where you've already traded. Just having a few days off feels a little funny. Oh, holding on. 2 small losses on the day. Looks like this trend line might just be a good place to fake out buyers and not truly work out.
Order filled.
Last trade of the day. I'm trying this short now because we just rejected it so many times. I think we're trapping buyers here. At the end of the day, it was a 15-minute supply. We are just inside of it. We were at the top of it. That's why I was trying to go long, but it didn't end up working out. Whatever happens on this trade, this will be the last trade of the day, basically. Put my stop above this high. And yeah, let's see what happens. Wow.
Order filled.
We got cooked today. That's it. I'm locking myself out. We got cooked. It happens. Bound to happen. I was just messing around with this trend line too much, I think. Too focused on this trend line. It's good to have, 3 losses down to 250. And if you guys saw my last video, I had 1 win up 250. So if I can take 3 losers and have them smaller than 1 winner, I'm very happy with that. At the end of the day, reversals out of my zones are the best trades for me. And I was kind of testing a new way of trading right now. So I'll come back in a little, see what happens with this trend line, if we go up or dump. Not really sure. And yeah, we'll check in on Thinkorswim, and that'll be that. Coming back to Thinkorswim to review, this was the zone I was trading off of. It's an ES 15-minute supply. We came up on the 1-minute chart, and the trend line that we were watching basically just got chopped up. It got ripped up, as well as me. I was trading both ends. First 2 trades were longs, trying to get a move up to the 3-hour supply. That did not end up happening. This engulfing candle here got me with a long, and this wick got me with a long. I thought we were going to continue straight up. This was the only trade I would say is valid, is a short, because we are in supply. I don't know why I was longing. Like I said before, continuation plays are really not where I'm comfortable. I'm comfortable trading reversals. 2 of the trades were continuation plays, and 1 was a reversal. So I would say 1 loss was a good loss. The other 2 losses we're kind of like trying a new thing. But yeah, as you see, nothing much is happening from this trend line or from this zone. We're really just chopping up, grinding up really slowly. pretty uneventful day. I'm glad to keep the losers small and not go on tilt and survive another day in the market. That's what it's all about. Keep learning, and let me know how you traded today in the comments. Subscribe if you want to see more of my live trades in the journey to pass this Top Step 50K combine, and I'll see you on my next live trade.